Hello friends, welcome to Entry, India's number one online study platform. My name is Kamaldeep. Today we're gonna discuss the admit card released by IBPS for various posts. And what are those posts? Those posts are faculty research associate, Hindi officer, analyst programmer, IT administrator, and programming assistant post. This exam was initially scheduled to be held on 9th August, but now it has been rescheduled to 12th August. Okay, so this exam will be held on 12th August, and IBPS has released the admit card on 3rd August 2020. So you can download the admit card. We have given the link of this admit card in the description box. You can download it from there. And there are total 21 posts in these exams. So what are steps to download admit card? First of all, you have to visit the official website of IBPS. Then go to their home page. Now scrolling down, you will find this career option. In the career option, you will search for IBPS admit card. Actually, you don't need to do this. Just go to the link given in the description box. You will be automatically log into here. Okay, you will reach here. Candidate have to enter login details. Now after that, after reaching here, you will have to enter the login details like your registration number, your roll number, password, and hit the submit button, and your admit card will be displayed there. Okay, so just go to the link given in the description box. Now there are some social distancing norms which have mentioned in the official notification. So we will discuss these social distancing norms. What are these social distancing norms? First of all, to maintain social distancing on the exam day, IBPS has set the reporting time of candidates slot wise. Okay, and what is the next norms? It has asked candidate to reach exam center 15 minutes before the time slot. Okay, so you have given a particular time slot and you have to enter, you have to reach actually at the exam center before 15 minutes of that time slot. Okay, now second, to avoid crowding, it has decided not to display the seating arrangement outside the exam center. As you know, in the previous year examinations, your seating arrangement was outside the exam hall. Okay, you can see your sitting arrangement outside your exam hall according to previous year examinations. But in this year, the mapping of candidate roll number and lab number will not be displayed outside the exam venue. The reason mentioned here, to avoid crowding. So what the same will be intimated to you individually at the time of entry to the exam venue and the post of your admit card or call letter and ID verification. So before your ID card or admit card verification, you will be given this candidate roll number and lab number. Done. Candidate can carry mask, gloves, transparent water bottles, hand sanitizer, pen, and exam-related documents to exam center. So these things you can carry to exam center, because this time due to COVID-19, you have to wear mask, you have to wear gloves, and you should have your own transparent water bottle. You can also carry a hand sanitizer and pen. This is important. You should bring your pen, okay, to the exam. Now next, it has also mandatory, or it's compulsory for candidate to have Arogya Setu. This one is a quite important concept for the candidates. You need to install your Arogya Setu on your mobile phones. If you don't have Arogya Setu on your mobile phone, what you'll gonna do? So we'll discuss that in the next point. First of all, if you have Arogya Setu installed in their phones, then display the status of that Arogya Setu to the security guard at the center. So you have to display your status, whether you are at low risk, you are at moderate risk, or you are at high risk. or you are at safe. So if you are safe, if your status is you are safe or at low risk, then you will be able to give the exam. Otherwise, if your status is showing moderate risk or high risk, you will won't be able to take the examination. Okay, you won't be able, you will be not allowed to give the examination actually. Now, in case you don't have this Arogya Setu, what you will do? Candidate does not have a smartphone. She will bring a signed declaration to this effect. Declaration form provided as annexure in this handout. So, in the official notification, there was an annexure. You have to fill up that and show the same to the security guard at the entry into the exam venue. Okay, so if you don't have this Arogya Setu, don't worry, you should have that declaration form with you. And next and important point, next and this one's the last point actually, all candidates will be checked with thermoguns at the entry point for temperature. So at the entry gate you will be checked, your temperature will be checked. So in case any person is observed to having above normal temperature, that is above this 99.14 degree, if your temperature is above this, you won't be able to allow to take the examination. Okay, you won't able to take the exam. So this is very important. Okay, or displaying any symptoms of virus, they will be not allowed entry into the venue. So I hope these social distancing norms are very clear to you. Okay, if you have any doubt, please ask me in the doubt section, sorry, in the comment box actually. So this was the notification regarding admit card. Okay, as you know, you can attempt free daily live IPS RRB rank booster quiz. This daily live quiz will be at 10 a.m. You have these 15 questions for 15 minutes, and link of this quiz is also given in the description box. Okay, so you can also attempt this quiz daily, and where you can attempt this quiz at the entry app, and this one is free of cost actually. So if you like this video, please like it, comment on it, and share it as much as possible. So thank you very much. We'll meet you in the next session.